channel. It's Lexi. It's been a little minute since I put a video out. To be honest with you guys, I was getting very tired of doing my hair, thinking about my hair, looking at my hair, child. I was tired of it because I'm always doing my hair. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this style. It's not a tutorial. It's not going to be super detailed. It's actually quite poorly filmed. But Kiana came over. I will leave her Instagram down below and on the screen. And she bodied this look. I saw this on Instagram. A lot of you guys are like, meh, but I was like, you know, I'm gonna do it. Like, it feels like I would like it, so I'm gonna do it. And I actually really like it. I have it pinned up, these two plaits. I just love how it looks, but I'm gonna take it down, show you guys the final form, really, you know? Is that it? Is that what we're doing? Good enough. Super, super cute. And I plan to really be braided up, twisted up, like all the rest of the year. Like, I'm really tired of doing my hair, but here we go, get into it. Alright guys, so Kiana is just parting my hair, applying, I believe this is jam, to the parts, getting all the parts straight. Nothing too crazy is happening here. If you're looking for a really detailed tutorial, I promise this is not the video for you, but it is some style inspo. You could do these plaits longer than the ones I did. You could do them booty length, hip length, you know what I mean? Or you can keep them short or just like a normal mid-back length. I really like the bob length style and keeping them thick throughout as opposed to thinning them out. Super, super cute. So these are feed-in braids if you didn't know. And with feed-in braids, what you're getting is you're adding hair as you go as opposed to putting the hair immediately at the top or at the beginning of the braid. That's the only type of information you're gonna get from me. So she parted my hair, sectioned off the hair, added the jam to the parts, and she's going to begin doing a feed-in braid very soon on the front left of your screen, which is gonna give you guys some more details on as how she did it. You guys will see that I'm not gonna record every single part of this hairstyle, but after she did the feed-in braids, she cut everything, added rubber bands onto it, make sure everything was even, and she did my edges. I wanna show you guys in a few seconds this edge control that she really prefers and she really likes, that she recommends. I took a picture just for y'all. There it is. I will leave it linked down below if I can find it. But yeah, she gave me a little soup on my edges, which I never really do it as good as she did, like at all. But if you're in Miami or South Florida or anywhere down here, check her out. She works at a salon and she specializes in natural hair. She does color, braids, styles, all kinds. All right, so just chill, enjoy the video. If you have any questions, I don't know how I'm gonna answer it, but just leave it down below. And the hair that we use will also be shown later on in the video as well. Hey. My hair is finished. I'm gonna go to the hair store and buy the gold ropes to put right here, like the inspo picture had. I love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Turn around. This is the back. Before I forget, this is the hair that we used. She used about 2 packs of this. And I have 2 packs left. Alright guys, so I went to the hair store and I got some gold string and some earrings. I was playing with the hair and I actually really like it with like the 2 in the front pinned back. I think it's a vibe. I think it's a look. Then I'm going to start on the inside and make sure it's even. I don't have my mirror out here, so I'm really just winging it. And I'm going to cross it, come back down, cross it, come back down. Can't really see. It looks pretty decent in the mirror. I'm just going to tie it in a few knots in the back of the braid to hold it in place. It's a very stretchy string, so it should be pretty easy to tie into a knot. Yeah, I feel like this is fire. I love it. I think the hair accessories take it up a notch. I think it looks super cute. I'm really excited. I want to show you guys, I tried this out in the car and I think it's so adorable. It's actually obviously very simple, clearly, but I just feel like it makes it look even cuter, and you still have the hair jewelry showing, you still have a little peek of it or whatever the case may be, but I love it. This is very much low maintenance, my type of vibe. Let me know if you like it down below. I know when I polled the style on Instagram, most of y'all was like, sis, no, get you something else, you know? But I was like itching to try it. Like I was in love with the photos that the person took, the hairstylist took, and I really wanted to recreate it. So this is the vibe right here. No makeup, obviously, a bare face. And I was having some reactions last week, so my skin may look a little textured right now. Okay, it is what it is. I can't change it. Thankfully, the reaction's going down a bit, but I know my skin probably still looks a bit textured on camera. But I'm gonna do a little beat face real quick and take some photos and see how it looks. Kiana did an amazing job. I'm gonna leave her Instagram. I'm gonna leave everything that you could find her at down below because she's bomb. It's not tight at all. It feels like it's not the first day, which is what I like when it comes to my hairstyles. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I know I haven't been posting that much, but ciao. Give the video a thumbs up on your way out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.